If you're tired of jumping between apps, this is for you. It's all about saving time.
We're going to do this in 3 parts: Prep, Gmail, Lockdown Security, then Connect Outlook.
First up, we need to prep Gmail by flipping a switch called IMAP so Outlook can talk to it.
So here's the game plan inside Gmail. Just 3 quick steps to get us started.
Okay, so in your Gmail, look for that little gear icon and click See All Settings.
Now you're going to look for the tab that says Forwarding and pop/IMAP.
Find the IMAP access section and just click Enable IMAP. That's the key.
Super important. Scroll all the way down and make sure you hit Save Changes.
Part 1, done. Now for security. Google needs 2-factor authentication for this to work.
Right, this part is crucial for keeping your account safe. Let's get it done.
Back in Gmail, click your profile pic, then head into Manage your Google account.
Just click on the Security tab. You'll see 2-step verification. Go ahead and click it.
All right, Gmail is all prepped. Now for the final part, let's jump over to Outlook.
We're on the home stretch. Just a few clicks in Outlook and we're all set.
Open up Outlook, click on the File tab, and then hit that Add Account button. Just pop in your full Gmail address here. Outlook is smart. It'll handle the rest.
Now type in your Gmail password and then look for that verification prompt on your phone.
One last thing. Outlook will ask for permission. Just give it a quick look and click Allow.
And boom, you're in. Give it a minute or 2 to sync up all your emails.